Click subscribe for update video every day.
You, like espresso aficionados. Matcha tea drinkers take their drink extremely seriously. So seriously that matcha lovers reading that last sentence likely scoffed at their drink being compared with coffee, and for good reason. Boasting a health profile that boosts one's metabolism, burns calories, and is packed with antioxidants and other vitamins. An affinity for matcha tea is one heck of a healthy vice. You, understanding this green tea craze for what it is. Appliance giant Sharp designed and manufactured a one-of-a-kind matcha tea maker called the Sharp TeaCere TET56U Matcha Tea Maker, but you might know by its far more creative model name, the TET56U. What? That ESN ring any bells? You, a grinder, brewer, frother package. The TeaCere TET56U is a one-stop shop for matcha lovers who want to craft high-quality tea whenever they like. To see if it lives up to the billing, we gave the TeaCere TET56U a spin in our office kitchen for a few weeks. Here's what we found. Out of the box. Sharp TeaCere TET56U comes with an attachable tea mortar, powder saucer, large tea container, cleaning brush, teaspoon, and water reservoir capable of holding just shy of 3 cups. Setup is done with ease, thanks to the step-by-step walkthrough in the user manual, requiring just a bit of assembly before officially being ready for use. The TeaCere TET56U comes ready to brew matcha right out of the box. But there's one key thing missing: tea. Thankfully, Sharp shipped a healthy helping of tencha tea, a name that refers to how the leaves are grown and processed. XA0 for details. Aside from this, the only thing standing between us and freshly crafted matcha was plugging in the device, filling the water reservoir, and scooping our desired amount of tencha into the companion grinder. Build is offering. The entire tea-making process takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the strength and amount of tea you reafter. For a proper cup of highly concentrated matcha, the machine requires roughly 5 heaping scoops from the included spoon's small side of tencha to be deposited into the grinder. With this amount of tea, a quick selection of the max cycle started the grinding process, which at this level can be anywhere from 6.5 minutes all the way up to 15 minutes. Did we mention that matcha is very finely ground? Leaving the mortar to